If you're in affiliate marketing, this question probably hits really close to home, right? You know that feeling, spending hours, maybe even days, just grinding away, researching, writing, designing to get one single high-quality review page up. It is a ton of work.
And that's just the frustrating reality of the business, isn't it? I mean, building a review site that actually converts, wow, it takes a massive amount of time. You've got to have some design skills to make it look professional, to make it look trustworthy, and then you're just stuck on this constant content treadmill, always trying to keep up with SEO, always chasing new products. It is a real grind.
But what if you could automate almost that entire process? Well, that's the big promise of a new tool that's popped up to tackle this exact problem. It's called Affiliate Pages, and the way they're marketing it, well, they're using a really powerful analogy. So, what exactly is this thing? Affiliate Pages is an AI-powered platform, a SaaS tool, software you use online, and it's got one single laser-focused goal: to help marketers like you build these high-converting review sites in just minutes. And the best part? No technical skills required, zero code. And this quote from the creators, Mike Filsaime and Jitendra, this really gets to the heart of their big idea. They call it a hack to create virtual vending machines. Think about that for a second. The whole concept is that you set it up once, and then it just works. It can generate passive income for you on autopilot, kind of like a real vending machine you'd see on the street. You stock it, and it makes money.
Okay, a virtual vending machine, that is a huge promise. So how does the AI actually pull this off? Let's take a look under the hood and break down the workflow for actually creating a page.
All right, it all boils down to this 4-step process. This is where the magic is supposed to happen. Step 1, super simple setup. You put in the product name, logo, your affiliate link, the basics. But step 2, now this is the core of the AI. You're not writing anything. You're basically becoming a curator. You just feed the AI links, URLs from other reviews, YouTube videos, that kind of thing. The AI then goes and scrapes all that info to learn about the product. Then bam, step 3, you pick a template and the AI builds a whole new review page for you using everything it just learned. And the final step is just publishing it. You just copy the code and paste it right into your WordPress site. The whole burden just shifts from writing to finding good links.
Okay, that sounds incredibly fast, right? Super impressive? But, like any tool, especially one that's using AI to create content, it's not going to be perfect. So let's hit pause and do a little reality check. We need a balanced look at the good and the bad here. So here's the deal. It's all about the trade-offs. On the pro side, you've got insane speed. It's built for non-techies, which is huge, and you get these professional-looking designs right out of the box. But, and this is a big but, on the con side, there are some things you really need to think about. First, SEO. AI content is great, but it always needs a human to look it over, to edit it. You can't just set it and forget it. Second, it's really built just for WordPress, specifically the Gutenberg block editor. So if you're using something else, that's a problem. And finally, yep, there's the price.
And that price is a pretty big factor. We're talking $497 a year. Look, for someone who's just starting out or doing this as a hobby, that is a serious commitment. But to be fair, the creators argue you're getting a lot more than just a piece of software for that money.
So to put that price in context, let's look at what's actually in the box. You're getting unlimited access to the platform, unlimited AI tokens, so you can generate as much content as you want, plus a 6-week training program on the whole virtual vending machine system. They also throw in over $1,000 worth of bonus tools like templates and scrapers, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So they're not just selling you a tool, they're trying to sell you a whole business in a box.
Okay, so we've looked at how it works, the good, the bad, the price, which brings us to the biggest question of all. Who is this really for? Is it for you? Well, the target audience seems pretty clear. This is really aimed at people who are already in the game. Established affiliate marketers, bloggers, YouTubers, influencers. It's for anyone whose main goal is to scale up their content production, to just create more. It's for people who want to pump out more reviews without getting stuck in the weeds of building every single page by hand. And really, that's the core trade-off right there. Affiliate Pages is a massive shortcut.